Processing resumes and CVs from my HR team has been a complex task that has involved a lot of resources, workers, and time. My name is Jeffery, and in this video, I will analyze a system that can help optimize the match between open positions and resumes received. This video is inspired by the Search Lab article, "Which job is the best for you?" using LLMs and semantic text to match resumes to jobs. Nowadays, most hiring processes in technology are done through digital platforms like LinkedIn, and it is common to see job offers with hundreds of applicants, making it practically impossible to evaluate and review each profile precisely. Usually, when HR teams use tools, these rely on keyword matching. This means they might overlook a strong candidate whose skills and experience are described differently without using the exact keywords from the job description. With LLMs, this can change by creating a robust system that does not just filter, but instead chooses the best candidate for the position. So, the question is, why do I need to have a process that can help solve that problem? We need a source of job listings indexed in Elasticsearch. We will process the job listings using an LLM. For the candidate resume, we will embed it. And with those embeddings, we will perform a hybrid search to find the most suitable jobs based on the resume. Detailed technical implementations are clearly explained in the Search Lab blog post. Let's dive into each step to explain better how it will work. We need to have a group of jobs stored in Elasticsearch to process them and make them searchable. You can do it using the Elastic Crawler to extract that information from your website. The information about the position will be stored in a field named body. So, with the job offers stored in Elasticsearch, we will create 3 additional fields derived from the body field. These fields will give a structure to the unstructured job description, making it easier to run more accurate and targeted searches later. Let's what will contain each field. Requirement field that will contain the key requirements for the position. Ideal resume field that will store an ideal candidate resume based on the open position. Descriptor field which will have a short description of the position. We will not insert those manually. We can use an LLM to generate those fields. For that, we will use ingest pipelines to create the fields and configure them using an LLM to generate those fields based on prompts. Now we have the job listing, with each job opportunity containing the entire job description, a short description, an ideal resume, and the key requirements. Now we need a candidate to apply to one of those positions. So, we need to embed the candidate resume to evaluate it against the position stored in Elasticsearch. To embed the resume and later also execute the query, we can create a simple Python script. With this script, we will create 2 variables. One will contain the resume in plain text, and the other will embed the skills, competencies, and qualifications of the resume using an LLM model. Those variables will be used in the query. The query searches against the job listing index in Elasticsearch. When the app is running, a candidate will upload their resume as a PDF. This resume will be stored in the 2 variables. In the query, we will send the candidate's competencies, containing the competencies variable, against the job requirement field in Elasticsearch, and at the same time, match the candidate's resume in the resume variable against the ideal resume field in Elasticsearch. By combining both results, the query returns the job offers that best fit the candidate's profile. With that, we are done, and now we have an entire process that can help improve the hiring process, making it faster, more precise, and cheaper. I'll give you an interesting challenge. Implement an automated feedback functionality to provide rejected candidates with the reasons and the areas they need to improve. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I did.